How to edit packing slips on the Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your Shopify store. Now once you're in, you have to go on the settings, and here you have to search for the shipping and delivery. Now once you're in, you have to scroll down and go on the packing slip. Here you have to click on this customize the packing slip that you can print with fulfill orders. You have to click on the edit. Now here is the code. Now if you change the code, you can also change your template slip. You have to preview the template before changing the code. Now as you can see, the template has fulfilled with the orders. Now what you have to do is simply open up the new tab, and here you have to search for the packing slip template Shopify and simply go on the Shopify help center. Here you have to scroll down. Now here is all the action that you can edit the packing slip. You have to go on the edit the template code. Now once you're in the edit the template code, here is all the steps. You have to just follow these. Here you have to copy this code. Once you copy the code, you have to go back to your Shopify store and open that code. Once you're in the slip template, you have to delete that previous code and enter the new one. Once you paste it, you have to preview the template. And as you can see, the template slip has been changed. So this is how you can edit packing slips on the Shopify.